Lights, camera, action. For beginners on YouTube, have you ever wanted to be famous on YouTube? It may look hard, but anyone can start. Let's go over the basics and help you get your channel started. What makes YouTube so important? Big audience. Every day, billions of people watch YouTube. That's a huge group of people. Visual learning. People enjoy learning from videos. Make a community. You can get to know your viewers and get them to become fans. Make money. You can make money by selling things, running ads, and getting sponsors. Share your passion. You can talk about how much you love music, cooking, gaming, or anything else. How to set up your YouTube channel. Pick a niche. What do you really care about? What are your strengths? Start a channel brand. Pick a name, logo, and banner that show who you are. Make a description of your channel. Let people know what your channel is about. Add art to the channel. Make your channel look nice and professional. Change the layout of your channel. Put your videos into sections and playlists. How to make great videos. Pick a subject. What do you want to say in your video? Make a script, or outline. Make a plan for what you're going to say. Take a video. Get a good camera and microphone. Make changes to your video. Add graphics, music, and transitions. Make a thumbnail. Make a thumbnail image that stands out. How to make your videos better for SEO. Use keywords in your titles. Add keywords that people are looking for to your titles. Write a full description. Give a full description of your video and use keywords. Put tags on. Use tags that are relevant to your video to help people find it. Make closed captions. Make sure that everyone can see your videos. How to get people to watch your videos. Share on social media. Post your videos on Facebook, Twitter, and other sites. Email your subscribers. Tell your subscribers when you post a new video. Work with other YouTubers. Work with other YouTubers to get more people to see your videos. Hold contests and giveaways. This is a great way to get new viewers. Talk to your audience. Answer questions and comments. How to succeed on YouTube. Be consistent by posting new videos on a regular basis. Be patient. It takes time to get people to follow you on YouTube. Be real. Be yourself and let your personality show. Give value. Make content that is useful or fun for people to read. Enjoy. If you're not having fun, your viewers won't either. The bottom line: YouTube is a great way to share your interests and meet new people. If you follow these tips, you can make a YouTube channel that you're proud of.